Hi students, in this video we are going to see how we can use the log table effectively. To divide the number 4 divided by 15.2, student feel difficult to do this. For this problem we can use the log book, then we can solve the problem very easily. Before using the log table, we must know what is meant by characteristics. Characteristics means if we have given with a one digit number, we should take the characteristic as 0. If it is given two digit number, we should take the characteristic as 1. If we have given with a 3-digit number, we should take 2 as the characteristic. Less than 1, we should take it as a characteristic. For example, look at the question. Now the question is given as a division for log. If multiplication we need to find out, we have to do the problem in addition way. If we want to do the problem for division, we have to do the subtraction. These two things we should keep it in our mind. Look at the first number 4. 4 is the one digit number. So we have to start the problem with 0. 0 is a characteristic value. Then for 4 we have to look into the table. If you are looking into the table, the log table start with the 2-digit number, but we want the value of 4. 4 means we have to go for 40 and 0. In this 40 we have to check. So 40, then the first table 0. 6021 is the value for 40 and 0. So here 0 column we are seeing to that. So 40, 0, 6021 we are getting right it. Now come to the denominator number 15.2. Here the whole part is a 2-digit number. For 2-digit number we should take the characteristic 1. So write 1 point. In 15 we have to see 2. Now go to the log book. Now 15 is given here. 2 is the third column. 1818 is the value. Suppose 15.26 something they have given extra number, that should be seen in this mean difference. This is called mean difference. That should be taken. That value also will be added. Now we have given only with 15.2. So in this 15 and this 2, here the intersection value is 1818. That should be written. Write 1818. Since the problem is a division, we should do for the subtraction. We have to minus the value. If it is given in multiplication, we have to do up to this. Then finally we have to add them. That's it. Now subtraction. 1 and 8 we can't subtract. We take the borrow. So this is 1. And this will be 11. 11 minus 8 will give you 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Again 0 minus 8 not possible. Take a borrow. So 10 minus 8 will give you 2. 5 minus 1 will give you 4. Now here minus 1. 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. Minus 1 will be written like this. Now the minus 1 we can take it as bar 1 also. That means we can write like this in the log values. So bar 1 like this we should write. After completing this, we have to take the anti-log value for the answer which you are getting. For this 0.4203 we have to see the anti-log value. Why we are doing this means we are taking the log book to solve this. So for example, A is equal to, this is my question, we are taking log this side. So we have taken log this side also. Finally we are getting the value of log. If we take the anti-log, it will remove, we will come to the correct solution. So after the point value we can see the anti-log. For the characteristic value we will decide where we should keep the decimal. Anti-log value will be given only for decimal values. After the decimal only we can see. So our question 0.4203. Now you come to 0.42. So this is 0.4203. We have to see that. So in 0.420 we have to check in this table, and 3 we have to go for the mean difference. So this is a mean difference column. The small numbers. This is 1, 2 and 3. For 3 we are getting 2. This 2 should be added with 2630. Finally, we should decide where we have to keep the dot. After 1 digit, 2 digit or 0 point, we should make it. Look at the characteristic value. If the characteristic is 0, that should be the 1 digit number. 1 means 2 digit number. But here we are getting minus 1. So minus 1 we are getting means, so before the 0, minus 1 will come. Then the digit, it will be 0 point something. So we have to be taken as 0 point some value. Then only it will be taken as the minus 1 as the characteristic value. So if we do the same problem on the calculator also, we are getting the same thing. So here the more decimals are showing the calculator, we will be taking approximation of first 4 digit. So 2631, the next number is 5 or more than 5, we will add 1 to the previous number, we will leave the remaining number. So that will be 2632. That's what we are getting through logbook also. If you feel the video is useful, give a like to us, subscribe our channel for more videos.